We let the master chef contestant to do 3 different sausages for like 150 people. Each one had to be like 120 grams or something. They was like explode, bursting. How are you gonna fix it? How are you gonna fix it? Alright, all the ingredients. We're gonna do the Sai-Ua, which is the Chiang Mai sausage. So Chiang Mai sausage is one of a kind, really well known and famous from the north of Thailand, and a lot going into it. So let's start. Okay, we're gonna start lemongrass, which has been sliced. I'm gonna chop it up more so it's easy when we pound it in pesto and mortar. We have chopped shallot sliced already. I'm gonna chop it more. Galangal. It's faster to have 2 knives. Better with the same level, same shape. We can have 3 knives, even faster. We have some makrut peels. For more details about all these ingredients, please go check out my YouTube on the green curry paste. Next, we're gonna add everything in to pesto and mortar. I have garlic, white peppercorn, finger pepper, chili has been soaked in cold water and chopped. Coriander root. The advantage of making your own curry paste is you control whatever go into your curry paste, so you get like really flavorful from homemade curry paste. If you buy it from the store, the paste most likely is chili only. When you mix it together, the only thing that you can taste is the spiciness. You have to use a lot of coconut milk. Then your curry tastes nothing. It tastes like more coconut milk because it's too spicy, and then you have to add more coconut milk until like it's less spicy. So if you're making your own curry paste, you control all the amount of the ingredients you put in. If you want it more spicy, you can add more chili in. Not a problem, but you actually have all the flavor from galangal, lemongrass, makrut leaves. You know, at my restaurant, we made our curry paste ourselves. So much flavor in it. The best way to make the curry paste at home. Follow the recipe. So now we have the paste ready to go. Get ready. We're gonna seasoning our minced pork with our Sai-Ua paste. We have fish sauce, chopped coriander leaves, turmeric powder, spring onion, a touch of sugar, makrut leaves, and then I'm gonna mix it in together. The pork mince, you basically can ask the butcher to do the ratio for you if you want 80-20, so it's less fat. But this type of Sai-Ua sausage, it's not fatty at all, so mostly it's the meat than fat. The Sai-Ua Chiang Mai sausage. Sai means intestine. Ua is northern term. It means stuffing. So basically like stuff into the intestine. If you go Isan, which is the northeast of Thailand, you get the Sai-Kok Isan, which is the northeast sausage. A different type of sausage. So you get the rice and then with minced pork. And then you have another sausage, which is the fermented pork sausage. We call it nam. Sour sausage, using a minced pork marinated and then leave it outside for up to 2 to 3 days. Keep that in the fridge. Keep it for 2 weeks, and then it's gonna have like slightly sour flavor, and then it tastes like really nice. And then you can have as the condiment to go with any kind of dish. Isan sausage. Okay, next is gonna be a fun part. We're gonna do stuffing. I have just a little water here to help for the casing not stuck on the tray. And then have a piping bag. Also, it's the easy way to do the stuffing. I'm gonna do helping with the tube, the nozzle, and then slide this in. Double back. Next, I have the casing here. So the casing, you need to soak it in the water and then run through the water one more time. Just make sure like nothing in here. And then using one of the end of the casing and put into the nozzle. Be gentle with the casing. So make sure there's no sharp contact to cut or burst your casing. Just slowly squeeze the mixture into the casing. Using your hand just to release the Sai-Ua mixture into the casing. Just don't overfill it because of when you grill it, it's gonna explode. I get cramp here. Okay, we are almost there. So make sure the tray is wet so it's easy to work with. Otherwise, your casing might burst on the tray because of it's no liquid here. So I'm trying to push a little bit and then close the front end that when I'm piping the Sai-Ua mixture in. And then I just like a massage the mixture to make sure it's not too tight. Usually I will rest it for like a day because of otherwise you grill it right away. It's just gonna be like explode from the casing. So it should relax the meat and then the casing overnight. I'm just like curring it, and then this is how we do in Chiang Mai or north of Thailand. We can put it on a charcoal grill with a lower heat, slow heat, so to get like a really nice smoky flavor. We're gonna grill them in the charcoal grill. So I have this, they call it green egg. I have coal in it already, ready to go. Quite hot, 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna lightly brush with the oil just to keep some fat for them to cook, and then lightly brush it with oil. And you can do it on the barbecue at home, on the grill. I'm using the like a cake tester just to release the air or bubble so it doesn't explode when it hits the heat. Then I'm gonna put in here. Putting more heat into the charcoal. So as you can see, the smoke is coming out, and then the temperature getting hotter and hotter. I can hear it. I can hear it's coming. Okay, ready? Here's our Sai-Ua. And here's the condiment that we're gonna serve with our Sai-Ua. So we have prik num, which is one of the chili we call young chili. We have the chicharron, pork crackers, and then we have the chili, cabbage, long bean, cucumber, Thai basil, and peanut. Ooh! Wow, smoking hot. And now we have Sai-Ua, Chiang Mai sausage. Wow, looks so delicious. Still smoking hot. Alright, มาก spicy